discussed, right? We downloaded all the softwares, right, Uma? So that
Yes, yes.
after that, okay.
Yeah.
Can you open? Can you unzip that Tomcat?
Yeah, I have done that one.
Okay. Then copy this Jenkins WAR file.
Copy. Okay.
Just copy this Jenkins WAR file. Okay.
Mm. Mm.
Now go to that folder where you Tomcat is there, right? I mean, you unzip the
Yeah.
Tomcat.
Yeah.
No, don't put inside. No, don't put this Tomcat within your downloads. Once you remove something, it may happen like there may be a problem. What you can do that, right? You can go ahead
Okay.
and change the path. Just a copy from here. Okay.
And I'll put in softwares. My softwares.
Yes, that's right. The reason why I'm telling you, right? You should not lost anything at any case. Okay.
Yes, yes. Yeah. Just it will take some time.
Now let it be copy. Okay. Meantime,
Mm.
can you go ahead and open? You are not able to open that. How can I say
No.
system variable, right?
No, I
Paths and
can't
all you
do
are not able to set. Okay.
it. Yes.
We'll see how it is possible. Okay.
Yeah. Now it is done. In Tomcat, I had to paste the uh,
No, just again you
Jenkins.
can copy that. No, again you can copy that. Yeah,
Jenkins.
Jenkins WAR file. Yes,
Mm.
that's right. Okay, copy.
Okay. It also this one undo copy.
No, you can undo copy and do it again. No issues. Okay,
Copy
that's
and
right. Can you go to that? Yeah, here web apps folder is there, right? Within web apps.
yeah. Okay.
Okay, and
Mm.
now you can paste it here.
Okay.
Okay. Now, let me give a clear understanding what we are going to do. Okay, earlier,
Mm-hmm.
first, whenever we wrote the script, right, we did
Mm.
only through test ng or JUnit we are running. After
Mm.
that, what we did through build system, Avan build system, we ran it. But
Mm.
what we are going to be do, we are going to be do run the job or anything. I mean, any automation script that has to be run without interaction any human being means Jenkins or CI/CD pipeline which we are going to be developed. Okay.
Okay.
For that,
Okay.
we need either two ways we can execute the Jenkins. So one is we can install .exe file. From there, you can do that. And
Mm-hmm.
the second one is any web server we can use. From there, deploy that Jenkins WAR file. From there, we can start running it. We can do that. Here, the second way we are using this is always good and do the things. Okay, this is
Okay.
highly recommended to use the second way. So here,
Okay.
that's why we are choosing here Apache Tomcat. Apache Tomcat is a web server. Here, how many
Okay.
servers are there? In the sense, many servers are there. Red Hat, JBoss. Okay, like ISS server is there. Okay, Apache Tomcat is there. Winamp is there. Jamp is there. Like that, many things are. But Apache Tomcat is a very like how can I say all people are using, and all Java people are also using Apache Tomcat. Hence, we are using the same concept. Hope this is clear.
Oh,
Okay, now what we'll do, we'll run a like how can I say, we'll execute some commands through Apache Tomcat. After that, we will deploy the jar file, var file into web apps that we deployed. Means just we copy pasted in the sense we deployed the jar file.
mm.
Okay.
Yeah. Mm.
Now based on this, what we can do, just we are going to be run how can I say, Apache Tomcat. Along with the Apache Tomcat, now Jenkins WAR file also it will be executed. Then
Okay.
automatically Jenkins will be up and running. Hope this is clear.
Okay.
Uh,
Mm.
See, we are going to be run Apache Tomcat as a server. Within that, okay, we already deployed to Jenkins WAR
Mm.
file. So once we started Jenkins WAR file, what are the files are available inside web apps, right?
Mm.
Automatically, all these things will be executed by default. Okay,
Okay.
that is it. Now,
Mm.
go back one step. Go back one step. Yeah, there is one bin folder is there, right? Go to bin.
Yes.
Here start server something is there. Tomcat something. If you go down, one sec. Okay, application is there, right? Startup or
Yeah.
something.
Applic
Yeah, in
Tomcat
that
8.
startup is no Tomcat 8 also not required. Okay, if you go up, startup something is there. There is application.
Two startups are there. One is batch file, one is shell
Windows
script.
batch file. Yeah, Windows batch file only we have to run. Just click on it.
Okay.
Okay, now okay it will started, but you are not able to see that. The reason is right. Can you go ahead and click on Tomcat 8 application? Tomcat 8 application. This way.
Okay.
Now,
It's not
oh my
running.
god, you need to give username and password. Not sure.
Let me otherwise run as okay, run as administrator.
Then also it will ask, right?
Mhm.
One sec, one sec.
Mm.
Just a double click and give your ID. We'll see whether it will work out or not.
No. No.
Okay, then you are not able to do that. So it will be a problem for us to do this. Okay.
Okay.
Then the first one is we are ready to. I mean, if you have how can I say admin rights, you can install, but that is also not happen, right? We should not install
Mm.
at any. Okay, then it is a blocker for us. Okay.
Mm. Then what is any other
Are you,
alternate?
that's why I'm thinking. Are you able to like how can I say? Did you have anything else? I mean, in any other you are handy?
Sorry, what you're asking? Any
Do you
other?
have other system? I mean, other computer, other laptop, something else?
No, no, I don't have.
That is not there.
No, no.
Okay. Then we need to change the whole internet connection. I think then right you don't have admin rights, so you are not able to install. Though I didn't think whether it will ask the Windows. I mean the Apache download. Okay. Mm, then what we can do? Let me share my screen. Okay. Then I'll try to help you. Okay. Not sure whether
Okay.
will be good or not. Let me share my screen. Please
Okay.
text to Harsha to make me as a presenter. Okay.
Yeah. I'll stop sharing.
Yeah, do that. Do that.
Yeah, I pinged him, but maybe he's not.
Okay. We'll wait. No issue.
Oh, let me call Harsha.
Okay.
Hello? Yeah, can you make Subbu as presenter, please?
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, I got it. Okay, let me share my
Okay.
screen.
Okay.
Now, hope you're able to see my screen.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Now, what I will do, okay, I think I already done some of the Tomcat. I'm not sure where it is. Okay, let me search for a few minutes. Okay.
No problem. Yeah.
Yeah, you're able to see, right? I mean, my screen, I opened just Apache Tomcat, okay, where I downloaded Jenkins WAR file and it, but not sure whether it is done too long. Okay, I mean, you're able to see, right? 2018 only I did, but still it will work, no issues. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, then what I'm going to do now, okay, Apache Tomcat within WinDrive, just I will start that.
.exe. Okay.
That's right. If you see, right, it will ask for confirmation to start it. If this is not working, sometimes what we need to do, just we have to go ahead and check this start.bat or
Service dot
startup.bat.
batch or okay.
Startup.bat. Okay. Then maximum things what we need to do, we have to do for only startup.bat. Okay, not the exe file. Exe file sometimes will work, but 99% that startup.bat only it should work for us. Okay, after completing this, okay, it will give like it is up and running something, it will say. After that it will by default Jenkins also will run. It will give something else. Okay. Okay, I already have set up for the like Jenkins. Just now I removed completely because of the class. Okay.
Okay.
Sometimes you may get problem. Okay, then I'll remove it again. I'll show you.
Okay.
If required. Now, if you see, right, Jenkins installed setup, Wizard, something like that, and Jenkins initial setup required admin user has been created and password generated, something is there. You are able to see, right, something? And if you see somewhere Jenkins up and running, something it should show. Okay, that we need to observe. Metadata framework. Because just now I removed something, okay? I mean, no issues. What I have to do, this is the initial password, okay? Now, if you see, right, we this may also maybe found that whenever we like Jenkins is ready up and installed even your machine, right? Inside your C users .jenkins will be open. How the .m2 folder is there, right? The same way .jenkins folder will be created. You getting my point? Now let me open that. Okay. Okay, no issue. I'll go through it. Okay. Program files, users within this, within that, within why this is happening. Within that, we are able to see, right, something. .jenkins. Yeah, okay. Within that .jenkins, there are many things are there. Within that, see secret key. Okay.
Okay.
And if you see that secret key, the same secret key, this is the secret key. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, if you just opened this one with the notepad, you are able to see the same thing. It will be something different, but we need to copy this one. Okay, and how we can do that in things, right? Let's say, for example, okay, what I'm going to do now, let me go ahead and do the things like, how can I know whether it is up and running in the sense, okay, local host, okay, local host 80:8080 is the default port, okay, where the web server will be stored by default. Okay, localhost colon 8080 localhost. Let me check that what is that actual one which is up and running. Tomcat catalan. Okay, just now I removed something. Okay, please wait, we'll see that. If this is not good, then I'll completely remove it and I'll show you. Initialization Jenkins, a plug in Hudson and all, but server has to be started somewhere. I'm not sure. It will say it's like a localhost 4040 or localhost 8080. Okay, then it's directory web apps. It's finished. Okay, 8080. We'll see that. Localhost 8080 only. It has to become. Okay. See, this is how it has to come, like 8080 something. Okay, localhost 8080. But this is not working. Let me check with the did I change anything else at 4040 like that. Okay.
Okay.
Let me go ahead and check this here. Not sure. Long back I done right. I might change the portal or port number something. Or some configuration.
Port 808005 8080.
Yeah, 8080 only, but no, 8080 only. But what I'm thinking, I might change something. That's what I'm trying to explain. Not sure. I did long back, right? Meantime, if I change anything, I'm not sure. Usually, right? I'll take the control and I'll do their system only, because they will feel they will feel better, or else they'll face a lot of issues.
Yes.
Okay, 80 connector port. This is a AZP connector. Not sure. I did long back. Here I'm not able to see where the Jenkins is up and running. It should say something. Then what I can do, right? I'll stop it. Okay. Now it is saying Jenkins up and running. Getting my point, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Here I want to show like where it is updated. There should be some. How can I say? Port name has to be there. Not sure where it is done. Where it is done. What I will do, I'll stop it again. Okay. Okay. Let me launch again. Then once it is Apache Tomcat is ready, right? I should get some log. Okay. Let me observe. Start up that batch. Bat file. Just check that. Is there something? It is saying
Yeah,
protocol 080 only. We'll see that. Something else it will show or not. If this is not working, then I'll change to Tomcat again. Okay. I'll download again one more Tomcat from there. I can try. Because if I made change something, right, it shouldn't work for the port. Let's see. In time, let me open and go ahead and search for the. This guy is saying connector 8080 localhost. See here it is saying, right? I mean, localhost only 8080 only.
Yes.
Okay, protocol HTTP1, connection timeout, redirection, everything is good. See, this is for another port. Okay, engine localhost. Host name is localhost, web apps. Okay, everything is blue. I don't know why it is not coming. TPS, okay. Connector executor. It's kind of something is not there. Let me see 8005. My God. This is also not working. Okay. 8005 is not working. Then what else? 8080 is not working. 8009 or 8443. It's loading. Let's see. 8009 8443. See, this is also not backend. Okay. 8443. This is also not backend. What it will say, right? It should give the port PC name 8080 localhost within, or else you can check in the configuration.
PC.
Okay. Within config.xml server.xml should be there, but address, heap size, and everything they mentioned. In the connector look like the connector details as follows, but this details itself not there, right? If you see that localhost address, localhost something, let me copy this one within server.xml. It's not at all there. Okay. Then what I can do, I will try to download, okay, and another Tomcat. Why we need to waste our time? Okay, Tomcat download or something else. Okay, now we'll see. Okay, if we go ahead and do that, right, it will give the top level thing. Okay, now we should not go ahead and do that the top level version. Always better to go for the lower version. See here 10 is the top version, that is in alpha mode. So I'll go ahead and download it. Get my point, right? Now here where we need to check that, right? Binary files we need to binary distribution within that 64 zip file I need to download. Let me download that. Okay, once it is downloaded, then still downloading in the final stage. Now it's downloaded. What I will do, show in folder. Before that, let me stop this one. Okay, I don't want to go ahead and do that. Stop or Control C, it will stop Jenkins, it will stop everything. Okay, you're able to see, right?
Oh, yes, yes.
Then what I will do, simply I'll go ahead and copy. Okay, within software, I'm putting this Tomcat again. Okay, let me unzip it. Now Apache Tomcat, right here 8.54 something. Okay, after that, what I have to do, I need to copy that Jenkins file, right?
Yeah.
Tomcat web apps. Okay, Jenkins var file. Need to go back. Okay, and copy paste inside the web apps. Okay, then what I can do that software. Okay, now what I can do that, just pin. Now go to startup.bat. Then this is if we are not changing anything, right, it should give the default port 8080. We'll see that. Okay, and before launching this one, right, let me go ahead and open that inside configuration, whether the server.xml something, right? Yes, whether the okay, here also the same thing, I'm not sure. See, here also not there, but not sure whether that this is the good one or not. Okay, let me check that. It is deploying something.
Started.
Perhaps it started. Here HTTP new 8080, right? Starting protocol handler something it is saying, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay, now if you see Jenkins in it, it's doing something. Started initialization, listed all plugins, something. So it came to Jenkins part. Before Jenkins part, also we are able to check whether the server is ready or not.
Okay.
Okay. If you go ahead and check that 8080. Now we are able to see, right? Means the server is what happened earlier, right? I might change something wanted. Okay, maybe because of that reason only I'm not able to find that. Now if you are able to see, right, it is just starting something. If you are not getting any logs, right, you can just enter one time. Okay. Okay. Okay, now it is in again Jenkins initialization, right? Let's see. Okay. Because of this reason only, what I will do, I'll do that in their system only instead of doing my system, right? It will be bigger headache for them to do all these things. Now you are able to see, right? Jenkins is up and running. Yes, yes, yes. Earlier it is saying some initial password, now it is not saying because initial password already there, hence it is not showing. Now you are able to see something like a Jenkins is fully up and running, means we can use this one. Now what we can do, here is there, right? Inside if you go ahead and check, see, these are the applications. See, developer kit start, right? I mean Tomcat setup, first application, JDBC, how these things will come, right? Let's say within how can I say web apps, right? Web apps folder, if you see docs, examples, host manager, Jenkins, something, right? Like this it will be there. Now what you have to do, your Tomcat setup, all these things are coming from there. But for the how we can access the Jenkins in the sense, let's say for example /Jenkins we have to, okay, then it will ask for the initial password. Okay, the initial password we already generated at the earlier. If you delete that complete .jenkins folder, again it will ask to develop that. I mean, again it will give the like Jenkins folder. I mean, the new password or whatever. Now see the background, right? Administrator password, where it is available inside
Setup.
C, Jenkins, secret initial admin password, something is there. Okay, then what we can do that, just we need to go to that place. Okay, Jenkins, within that, okay, within that are also secrets inside secrets initial admin password.
Yeah.
Where is that secret? You see, right? Initial admin password, something is there. This is the one. You're getting my point, right?
Yes.
Now,
Okay.
Control A, Control C, the same thing which we need to provide here.
Okay.
Get my point? Continue.
Okay.
Now it will ask for to save. Don't save anything because it will be always available here.
Oh, okay.
Initial password. Initial password is different. Some other things are different. Okay, once this is done, then it will ask for like plugins. If you see, right, installed select plugins or install suggested plugins. Don't go for the second one. Just to go for the first one. Okay, click on it. Then it will give installed plugins. Getting my point, right? Plugins in the sense how we are doing the Maven plugins, right? All these things, minimum things, it will be done. After that, unable to connect to Jenkins. I'm not sure what happened.
Downloading.
Let me click on it again, or else I'll start it again. No issues. Okay. Again from here only it will start. We don't bother about that.
Okay.
Now it is saying the same error, right? Now what I can do, I'll stop it. Control C, if you put, right, it will stop automatically. Okay. Then what we can do, again go ahead and open the start file, the bat file, right? What we ran. Go back, bin, within bin, startup.bat. Now if it is not running, right, what if you refresh it, it will say no, I mean page not found, or else it's keep on loading, something like that. Okay, once this is up, right, then automatically it will load. Then now before Jenkins, let's see whether the Tomcat is good or not. Yes, the Tomcat is good. Okay, then it is saying something Jenkins like interaction error or something. We'll see that.
Failed to load.
Yeah, we'll see that. Okay, I mean whenever it is saying, right, Jenkins is fully up and running, then only we have to do that. Now we are able to see, right, Jenkins fully up and running. Now what I can do, Jenkins, okay, / Jenkins is the put Jenkins I need to put. Then it will redirect to this page. Again we have to give the password. Okay, now what was the problem, right? Here one more space is there. Okay. That may be the cause. Getting my point? But didn't observe that. Now the space also it will take as one character.
Yes, true.
Now let me, it will do the things like it should ask now plugin installation.
Yeah, install plugin, suggested plugins.
Now it is saying, right, I mean resume installation, something. I have to give resume. Why resume? In the sense, earlier time we failed something, because of that reason only it is asking. Now it will take some time to download everything. We'll see that.
Okay.
And the same server logs also you are able to see. I mean, you're right, server logs, something, what is there, what is happening, fail to dynamic load or something. I'm not sure, unable to connect Jenkins. What happening here? I'm not sure. Is there any problem? Some plugins fail to install properly. Me installed or continue with the failed plugins. whether the net is good or not. Net is good. Not sure.
Hello?
Progress bar is happening right here. It will
Yes,
check
yes,
that.
sir.
And the same thing right in the in the right side, it will check right email extension pipeline API. It will check like this. It will wait for some time. Okay.
Okay.
System, it is an open network and without any company network, right? Directly it will give
Yes.
it some time. It is installing the default one. Okay, we'll see that.
Yeah. Okay.
Please wait. Take some time.
Okay. Yeah.
It is always failing. I'm not sure. Okay. Let me continue. See here, username, password you can give. Okay.
Which one? Which username
Let me.
password?
This is admin. Okay. Just I can give
Oh,
like admin always.
we need to create a password.
That's right. Okay. Now you are able to see, right? This is how it will display the home page.
Okay.
Okay, now now before once this is done, right, where we need to go ahead and check manage Jenkins. Okay, within manage Jenkins, what we have to do, we have to give like all our things. Let's say, for example, configuration is required for the global system configuration or global tool configuration, and manage plugins. These are the two things. See, what is that? Global tool configuration and manage plugins. Before doing anything, right? Once it is came to this home page, what we have to do? Manage Jenkins. That manage Jenkins. These are the errors. Leave it. Okay, leave it as of now. It's not the problem. Now, if you go ahead and check that, here global tool configuration means what are the tools are required for your computer. Okay, to execute. Here, how can I say? Now JDK and Maven is required for us. Now what I can do? Okay, if you are not doing any installation like this, right, it will be a problem. Now what I can give, right? JDK. See, if you are not giving, it will give like install JDK automatically. This version will be downloaded. Okay, but I don't want to do that. I'll give something like this. Okay. Now you see here it is asking for the Java home. Okay, the Java home in the sense which I already given. You are able to see something properties within the advanced settings. Okay, this is not working for you, right? Environment variables. Okay, here if you see, right, Java home. Okay, the same thing I need to give. Getting my point? Okay. Now what I'm going to do now within global apps and something. Okay, Java home. Here I can say Java 8. Something I can put, or Java also I can put. No issues. Okay, then add Maven. See what is the Maven which I added, right? Again I can go ahead and check that. Here m2 something is there, right? Edit. Okay, this is the thing which I need to do. Maven, see, if not required, then it automatically it will download. It will go ahead and do that. But if I uncheck this one, then only it will ask one thing, Maven. Getting my point, right?
Yes.
Now apply and save. Now we completed, we added. Means how it will work, right? How your system is locally working, the same thing which we need to give to the again the another system. Getting my point, right? Now what I can do here, back to dashboard. Okay, one point is over. Then what we need to do? Manage Jenkins. Here we require to add some more plugins. Here, if you see, right, manage plugins, something. Okay. And if something is installed, it will say, okay, are available means what are the like already installed things are there, right? It will load everything, or else available something. See, these are the like how can I say available things, means which where you can how can I say download. Okay, now if you click on, go ahead and click on, right, installed. These are things already installed. Okay, apart from this, what we have to do, install, right, like go ahead and like available. Here what we need to search for it, right? Another plugins. Now Maven Surefire plugin we have to check.
Okay.
Maven Surefire. If it is not working, I'll change the name. Okay. Look like this is very old. Okay, I didn't check that. It's a 2.14 something. Okay, that's not the problem as of now.
Which Jenkins or?
Sorry?
Which is the old version, like Jenkins WAR file?
The WAR file which I
used.
I didn't download till, a new one, right?
Yes, yes.
See here, many plugins are there. That's why it's okay.
Searching for
Here
the.
many plugins are. Number of plugins will be there. I think this is 1.4. Everyone is 1.5, something like that. If that is the case, then I'll replace it. Okay.
Okay.
And what I can do, right? Why I need to waste our time, right? Directly I can delete it. What is the latest one here? 2.2.23, something else. Not sure whether it is the latest one or not. Installing, let me go ahead and check that WAR file. Now it is downloading, right? 63 MB. We'll see that. Okay. Meantime, I'll change this one. See, it's keep on loading because it's too old, right? 2 years back only I used it, right? 2018 only. That may be the reason. Okay. After this one, what I can do that, right? I'll change this completely. Okay. Let it be. Are you available for the another class today? Because only one thing is pending, right? That I need to complete by today, and tomorrow that first one will be complete.
Yeah, I'm available. At what time?
I'll let you know the reason, right? I mean, here I'm not able to like complete the task, right? Due to some technical issues, right?
Yes.
We'll have it definitely.
Okay.
So
Okay.
before doing anything, right? Let's see what will happen now. I need to stop the Jenkins. Okay. Then it will close it. Then what is the jar file or WAR file which I run, right? Which I downloaded now. Control C. Then what I will do? Then I will remove the existing thing, right? Under web apps, Jenkins, right?
Yes.
Not sure. This is 74. I mean 72 MB. This is the latest one. It is saying 64. Okay. Not sure. Okay. Again, what we need to do?
We need to run again.
Bin and startup.bat. We'll see that. Okay. Then meantime, right? If you refresh here, nothing will be open. It will say some 404 or not loading something.
Okay.
Until it comes and running. Okay. See here, it is that. Oh wow! What was the found, right? Jenkins it is having to was found with the latest modified that did not match the associated WAR file. It will be deleted and automatically it is deleting something. Okay. We'll see that. Wantedly I made some changes. Not sure whether that is a bad thing or good thing. We'll see that. Able to see, right? Please wait while Jenkins is getting ready to work like that. Okay, means it is happening inside. Up and running, right? It will say Jenkins is fully up and running, something like that.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll see that it's keeping something we change that Jenkins site updated one. We'll see. Now we are able to see something, right? Jenkins is fully up and running. Then automatically it will refresh in the backend. Then it will ask for the login because we already saved the password admin, right? Then we are continuing with that invalid password. My God. Invalid username or password. Not sure.
We have not saved, right?
I don't know. I'm not sure.
Did you give a capital letter or?
Let me check that. It's playing with us. Okay. Inside Jenkins, some user secret key. Okay. Config.xml nodes users. Okay. Admin user.xml. Entry admin. This may be the, how can password? I say password? Let me check that. I'm not sure. That is also not the way. Admin config.xml.
No. No.
My bad. What happening actually today? It's totally waste of our time today. What I will do? Simple, right? Very, very simple thing. No need to think much. Okay. Just start this one. Okay. Then we will do it again from the scratch. There is no other way now. It's how can I say? Totally wasting of our effort. Users within users. Okay. I'll remove this completely .jenkins. Okay. Getting my point, right? It will display. I mean, remove every information, whatever information which I have for the Jenkins. Something is there. Let me Control Shift Delete. It should now delete everything. Now, freshly, what I'm going to do now. Let me go ahead and start up again. Okay, again we'll give that initial password and all. Okay, we'll see that. Let it be load. Okay, it's the JSP application. It is set up. What I will do, right? I mean, whenever I'm doing this one, right? I will set up their system so that will be good for them.
Yeah. I can understand because we are facing.
Yeah. Now it is created the initial password, right? This is the initial password. Now you can after selecting, right? We click enter. Okay, it will be done, right? After that, sometime it will say Jenkins fully up and running. It is now fresh copy. What I can do now? Let me open another thing.
Localhost
8080. Within that one / Jenkins I need to put. Getting my point, right?
Yes.
We'll see. Okay, it is the initial stage, right? It will take some time to come.
Sign in.
Okay, now it will ask for the password, initial password. Okay. Let me manage password. Let me remove everything, whatever there, right? Existing one. Okay, I removed completely. Let me give that. Okay, or else what we have to do? Again, we have to paste it. Copy this one, select it. Okay, just enter. Then copy, paste it here. We'll see. See now install plugins.
Yes.
Now it is showing displayed something, right?
Yes.
That how can I say, now the new version is
Install.
2.22 something it is there. Now it is working, right? I mean something else it is doing. Folders it's created. I will see. Okay, it will take some time. I'll be in mute. Okay, wait up.
Okay.
Wait. Okay. I mean it will take some time.
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
You're able to see, right? Some
Yes.
timestamp, pipeline, Git
Yeah.
subversion, email extension. Okay, many things will be
Email.
automatically like coming as the plugin. Okay, the
Mm.
same way what we need to add, right? These are the
Module.
default plugins. Okay, after some
Mm.
time we are going to be customize these folders. Okay, again we have to add few more plugins which is applicable to our project.
Yes, yes.
Okay, that is right. Maven Surefire plugin, and another
Yes,
one
yes.
is TestNG. Okay, TestNG one I'll add it. Now, if you are able to see, right, these are the things it's got completely like installed. Now it is in the final stage. Okay. Now it will ask, right? Now see, now earlier there is no email address. Getting my point, right?
Yes.
Now this is the new version. It is asking now admin admin again I'm giving. Okay, here I'm giving as my name. Not sure whether it is not taking that. Okay, I given my name. Okay, save and continue. Okay, now you're able to see, right? Now instance configuration, something like this is the Jenkins URL, the same Jenkins URL, whatever we are talking about. Okay, now save and finish. Now start using Jenkins. Look like, right, the some of the things got the new screens, right? Now after that it will become like this. Okay, what we need to do here, manage. Okay, global tool configuration. Getting my point? Inside global configuration, we need to give like JDK and Maven. Okay, now add JDK. The automatic installation is not required. Then we can say like Java 8 or something else. What is the Java home? Okay, that I can get it from here. Advanced settings, environment variables. Okay, here Java home. Okay, now I copy, let me paste it here, and now Java is ready. At the same time, if we are able to see, right, at the same time, then Git is there, then I will talk to this one. Okay, now the second one is and Gradle, something, any options are there. Now I don't want to add anything. I will add for the like Maven. Here, right, installation directly for installation is not required. Okay, I'll put something. What is that something in the sense like m2.o edit. Okay, this one I'm going to copy paste from the here. This one. Okay, now here I can put it as the Maven. You're getting my point, right? And there is no subject. I mean, if you see, right, that Git also I can give this. Okay, here this is not happening because this is not there. Then what I can do, right? Let's say for example, local folder example x86 is there in Git or not? No, it's not there. Then program files, normal program files, is there any Git or not? It is there. Within that, okay, within that Git dot here Git bash is there. Okay, not sure whether it is not accepting that Git.exe. We will see that later. Okay.
Okay.
Or else it will say like instantly download. Okay, add install that. Whether it is a shell command or something, it will install. But as of now, it's not required. I can put like this. Okay, we'll go ahead and see. Now, how can I delete it? Now I can delete it. If required, we can add it again. Okay. Now apply, save. Okay, it will close it.
Okay.
Okay. Then what we need to do, we have to go ahead and check the manage plugin. Here it will give if some plugins are available or any updates are there. What I have to do, like available plugins, here I need to click. After that, okay, we need to search for Surefire plugin. Surefire. Please wait, it will take some time to load.
Okay, okay. I think search is stopped.
Given, let me search it again. Okay. Now, if you are able to write some report info PMD should file something. Are you able to see my screen?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Now I will check this one, install and without restart. Okay. Then see, these are the plugins which we already installed while landing on that. Okay. You are able to see, right? Folders and sensors, token macro, everything. Okay. In the last, okay, these are the things it will add. Now it is got succeeded report information. Now it is actually going for the, okay, everything is got success. Now one more thing, manage Jenkins, manage plugin one more time. Okay, click on available. Then again, what we need to do, we need to search for something called as the, okay, TestNG reports. Okay, that is also required, but we'll see that.
TestNG.
No, it is now, see, now only it's enabled, right? Then only we need to search.
Okay.
Now TestNG results you are able to see, right? Just install without any restart. Then within this one, right, again one more plugin is there. That's not a problem. It is interdependent. It will load it. Now everything is completed. Okay. Now what I can do, right? Here we can go ahead and do that back to dashboard. Directly it will load. Now our Jenkins completely ready. Now what we have to do, we have to create a job or pipeline. For this one, okay, new item, which we need to click it. This is very important. 5 minutes it will be covered. Okay, new item. Once it is completed, then see here this kind of projects we can integrate. Okay, multi-pipeline, organization, something else, folders, but always better to go for the freestyle project.
Okay.
And what is the project name? TestNG job, I can say. This is what I can put it like this. Okay. Then I can go ahead and click on OK. Now this is how it will load. Okay. And in this one, once it is loaded, right, we can have the description, something like that. What is the description here? We can put it, right? How can I say? First Jenkins job, like that I can put. Or else your project, why this project is there, like that you can put. Okay. Then once this is completed, okay, we see, right, source code management. If we are trying to pull that report from the grid, okay, Git or Subversion, I can put it. As of now, I'm putting none because I'm going to use my local things. Then if it is none, what you do, here you need to click on the advanced. In that advanced, okay, some custom workspace has to be there.
Okay, yes, sir.
Okay, my point. And see, this is what is the directory which you are having. What is the directory? This is TestNG. Right click. I want to go ahead and click this path. Okay, this is the path which I need to copy paste. Not this one. One second.
The location here is how.
Yeah, the location, right? Up to this one I need to copy. Okay. In this location only my project is available. Okay, here display name we can put sample TestNG workspace, something like that, or whatever you want you can put it. Now build environment. Okay, what is the build environment in the sense? Delete the workspace before build start means, let's say for example, it will delete the everything whatever it is creating. Okay,
Okay.
I'll explain this one. Okay, now if it is not required, then we can delete. If required, we can uncheck. Okay, as of now I'm not putting anything, but because that is not our main goal. Okay, now here build step and post build step is there. Here build step, right? Within build step, what we need to do? Invoke top level Maven, we need to do that. Why? In the sense, through Maven only we are going to run the build. You get my point, right?
Yes.
So execute what we have to do here. Invoke top level Maven targets. Okay, then here if you need to have, right, default something. No, we already given some global configuration, right? That Maven we need to select. Okay. Then what is the goal in the sense? MVN. It's not MVN is not required. Okay, test I'm putting. Clean and test we can put. That's right. Okay, clean test I'm putting.
Okay.
Getting my point? See, this is the build. After build, what we need to do? Post build. If you need to publish the test engine results, okay, we can do that. Okay, if it is required to send a mail, we can do that. But as of now, I'm displaying as the publish the results. Okay. Now see inside that test engine result.xml, something like that it is saying. Or else HTML also we can do that. As of now, this is not required. Yes, I'm not putting that. Now apply and save. Now if once it is go to move, I mean here, right? If you see this one, this is the thing. See, project sample test engine workspace, something like that. It is saying the description. Now if I go to dashboard, okay, what will happen? It will say some sample test engine workspace. Okay, the job name which I given there.
Okay.
Okay, or else how we can do that, right? If I click on it, again we can configure. Okay, here how can I say? Instead of giving the sample something, we can change it if required. First Jenkins job, just description, something like that. But I don't want to change as of now, nothing. Why we need our waste our time? Then we'll go ahead and run this job. Okay. Next one, if the job is earlier, this is empty. You are able to see, right? Now this job is created. Now if the job is every first time created, see last success, last ran, last failure, something is there. It's completely not applicable. It's the first time. Now how we can trigger a build? Just what we can do, okay, click on it. Here build now is there.
Okay.
Getting my point?
Yes.
Okay. This is Jenkins home page. Click on the job. Okay, just build now. Then once we click on build now, it is saying something else. Here you are able to see something, right?
Yes.
Okay, if you click on it, okay, you are able to see some logs. Here console output, something you can see. Okay, the same way how we are running through job, right? The same way it will run from here.
Okay.
You get the point?
Yes.
Okay, if you are not getting, please let me know. Just we are trying to run our job, right, through remotely. Once we did the code, right, just we push it everything, then automatically from there it will read it and it will download the code. Okay, from here it will be go like anything. You're getting my point, right?
Yes.
Anyway, we completed finally the Jenkins. Okay.
Okay.
Now it is completely, and after something, right, you're able to see it completely how we are getting the same console output. If you run the Eclipse here, the console, right, in the console, you are able to get something, right? The same way it will, there is no difference. And if you see, right, this is means this blue color in the sense it's got succeeded.
Okay.
Now see, total test cases ran 6, 0 failures and 0 skipped. Build got success, and see processing. This is the path. you're able to see that build testng.xml, right? You're able to
Yes.
check it here. Testng reports are published or finished. Getting my point?
Yes, yes.
Now, if you see that from where it is getting the data and all, right, it will give like, see, deleting UMA workspaces, something, it will delete the target. Again, means why this is deleting? Because we are giving the clean opportunity, the clean command. Okay. It is giving some, then it is building. Finally, from here it will start.
Okay.
After running test, right? See, once we are able to see the test, right? Meaning the Maven Surefire plugin is working as expected.
Yes.
Okay, and see here e:\UMA classes testng.xml. From here only it is getting all the information.
Okay.
And resources, it will test like this. Hope this is clear.
Okay.
Now if I go ahead and check, right, Jenkins again, it will say now, see,
success.
Last success means 2 minutes is ran, 57 seconds. Okay, last till now there is no failure. At last time duration, how long it will take? 1 minute and 19 seconds it is running.
Okay.
Okay, 2 minutes back only it's succeeded. Okay, last duration, how long it's run? 1 minute 19 seconds only it's run. You're able to see, right? And if I go ahead and click on this one, it will give the complete history. You getting my point?
Yes.
Now what I can say, you don't want to give like a manual click. Let's say for example here I want to go ahead and build now option, then only it will run, but I don't want to do that. Getting my point? Automatically the system itself, it has to be run the job. How can we do that? Just let's say for example go ahead and configure something. Okay, once we configure something, then after this one, like advanced, okay, let me check that. After I did long back, okay, like add timestamp to console to the output inspect. Let me do that. Okay, long back I did this one.
Okay.
2 minutes it will be over. Okay.
No problem. Yeah.
Now let Google. Okay. Jenkins automatic job auto build for every 10 minutes or 5 minutes, something like that. Okay, there is one thing called let me show for you. Job scheduler is there, that you once we enable that one, automatically it will be every 5 minutes or 10 minutes. See here, build triggers is there. Within that, build periodically, some option has to be there.
Yeah. Advanced, go to advanced and.
No, not here. Within build triggers, right?
Build triggers.
Build periodically.
Yes.
You're getting my point. Once build periodically here, how can I do that, right? I mean, let's say for example, if there are 5 stars are there.
3 stars.
Okay, 5 stars, right? Every minute, every second, every minute, every hour, every month, every week, like that it will go. Getting my point? 5 stars. Every minute, okay? Every hour, every week, every week, every month. If we give all stars, for each and every time it will be. Or else, what we can do that, see, minutes, hours, day, means star, something. See, every month, every week, every day, obviously, last 3 things will be star. Total 5 stars are there. Now, first 3 stars, or last 3 stars are every day, every week, every month. Okay, every day, every month, every week, something. Now, first 2 stars are how we can do that? For how many minutes it has to be start? Let's say, for example, if we wanted to verify a schedule every 5 minutes, like this, we need to do that. Getting my point?
Okay. Mm.
Now let me copy and let me paste it. Okay.
Mm.
Okay, you are appear to be missing white spaces between star and something. Let me do that. Okay, dot star slash every 5 minutes. Okay, dot 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 dot. Now it is asking to change something. Let me Google it again. Okay. See, if you want to do midnight, right, like that also you can do that.
Yeah.
See, here H something. Every 5 minutes, in the sense I need to change something. This is not working. Okay. Okay, spaces are required. I'm not sure. Okay.
Earlier it gave space, but okay.
Let me check that. Even I'm not sure, right?
Mm.
You appear to missing white spaces between. Let's see. Save.
Maybe.
Okay.
Maybe we
And
have to give
after,
start.
yeah. One second. After saving, right? If you are able to see, it will give. Okay. When it will be run. See. Would last haven't been run on Saturday, April 25th, 8:30. I mean 8 o'clock. And the next would be like Saturday, like 8:05, 8:35. It will be run. Okay.
Okay.
After 5 minutes, it will run automatically. We will wait for 2 minutes. Okay. Automatically, this job will run. Okay. We don't want to run anything. Getting my point? Now we'll see that.
Okay.
We'll wait some time. Okay. Then see how we can know, right, whether it is working or not. This ball will be like blinking something. Okay. At the same time, if we click on like this, right, the build number 1 only it is now. If I click on build now, it will go for the build number 2. But I don't want to click and wait for some time up to 8:05 a.m. Let's see, the build number 2 will be succeeded and automatically it will trigger and will generate everything. Then it will skip. It will stop the execution. Please wait for 2 minutes. It should work.
No. Yeah.
This is very important. Okay. And if you need anything, right, you can review this video one more time, and you can Google it, and you can do the video like YouTube videos also. You can do that. Okay. And once this is finished, right, only one topic got pending. That is called as the Postman. Postman also not required as part of Selenium, but still we'll see that. Okay.
Okay. Are you going to have today other class or no?
We'll let you know, or else tomorrow we'll connect. There are some more things which we need to take care for the how can I say that Postman. Okay. I deleted the Postman completely. Let me check that. But the only thing is the Postman is very less. Okay. And within 1 hour you can able to learn. It's not the big deal for us.
Okay.
Please wait. Okay. 1 minute more. Okay. We'll see. Do you have any question here? Let me know, or else we'll wind up after this one. Only one more class is pending. It's not pending. What we committed, we already completed. But as part of now, you are able to see, right? I didn't run anything. It is now running something.
Build too. Yes.
Please wait some time. Okay. After building that one, what will happen? Automatically, it will do that.
Okay.
The test execution. You are able to see right now.
Yes.
It's happening something. Okay, I need to remove this after executing this one, right? I need to remove this, or else for every 5 minutes it will try to launch it. That's not the goal.
Yeah. Do you have any command after 5 minutes automatically shut down for that one, or we need to do
That's right.
manually?
That's right. How it is running, right? I mean, we gave that period will periodically star by 5 something we read, right? Now, if you are able to see, right, it got finished.
Yes.
Okay. If you
The
see
results
back to
where
dashboard,
can
yeah. If you see back to dashboard, last execution is 1 minute back only executing. If I click on it, the number of bits should be like 2 bits because 8 is the generated. This is the test results. Everything got passed. Okay. You're able to see, right? Nothing is failed. Okay. Then if you want to check the build history, just click on it. Then console output is there. Okay.
Console output.
Getting my point, right? If you want to see like testing the results also, you can see that. Say testng.xml something is there, right? Everything you're able to see here. Just you can expand it. You're able to see something.
Okay. Yes.
Okay, this is how we need to show that publish HTML report something is there, right? This is what we see. Okay, now if you see this one console output, okay, it will see running as the system started by timer. See, if you see this one started by timer means automatically it's running. But if you go ahead and check the build one, it is saying something different. Okay, console output run by admin or something like that. Started by because I'm the admin. Getting my point?
Yes.
This is how it will be. Hope this is clear. So again, 8:10 it's going to be run. I don't want to be run again. So hence I'm going to stop this job. Okay, configure. I go ahead and configure. Okay, there and if I need to remove that, we'll see if I star by 10, right? For every 5 minutes you will star by 10 it will like, or you can use like h by 5 as well. In a hour 5 minutes it will be star like that.
Okay, 1 hour each 5 minutes. Yeah.
Okay, means within hour every 5 minutes it will be start. Means 60 by 5 means 12 times it will be run within an hour. That is the
okay.
Okay.
No, thank you. No problem.
No, right?
Yeah.
Then we are good with this. Okay. Then we'll have a class by tomorrow, the same 6:30. We'll finish that one. Okay.
Sure.
Okay. Then bye.